Web scraping is data scraping used for extracting data from websites. It is integral to the process because it allows quick and efficient extraction of data in the form of news from different sources. Such data can then be processed in order to glean insights as required. As a result, it also makes it possible to keep track of the brand and reputation of a company. Each business or individual has unique needs. Here are a few benefits of web scraping. Lead generation. Reputation and brand monitoring. Gathering data for machine learning. Financial data analysis. Social media analysis. Building product catalog. Scrape search engine results for SEO monitoring. If you want to build a successful business, what are you waiting for? Contact us for more.